All right, the court is going to call 2023 CR 2280. State versus Michael Donovan Williams. Could I have parties announced for the record? State,
Andrew Harris, Edelman.
defense.
Robert Ferris.
And are you Mr. Williams? Are you the same Michael Donovan Williams who's placed on community supervision in 2023 CR 2280 for the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon with a felony conviction on June 15, 2023 for a period of 8 years? Is that you? All right, state.
In Bear County, Texas, the defendant Michael Donovan Williams has been in there, failed to report to the supervision officer as corrected for the months of May and June 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
State waives the remaining violation allegations.
Any objections?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 3 years in prison and up to, let me see if there's a fine. No fine. Could sentence you up to 3 years in the prison. Did you understand? Knowing that, do you still wish to proceed with your plea of true to violation of condition number 4? Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
I believe so, Your Honor, to revoke supervision and impose the underlying sentence.
All right. And has he done anything on probation?
Judge, Mr. Williams was a third court participant.
Mhm.
He did complete lifetime, well,
All right, do you want to raise your right hand for me, please? You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
That arrangement.
All right, so Mr. Williams, why didn't you do well on this probation? All right, so what I can tell you is, and I believe the state and the defense are aware of this, because my understanding, you all were negotiating, and maybe it was going to be withdraw the motion and refer to DDRF, or either refer back to felony drug court. So let me explain something to you. If you have mental health issues, and it appears that you do, because there was, I don't know if it was who it was brought up by, but there was the issue of perhaps placing you in DDRF, then those issues are still going to exist. And prison, sometimes it rehabilitates people, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes they'll give you the care that you need. If you're able to fake your way through the prison system and they don't think you need mental health treatment, then you're not going to get any mental health treatment at the prison. And when you are released, maybe you will be worse off than you were before. Maybe you will be better off than you were before. But it appears to the court, and I guess it appears to your defense counsel too, that you need drug treatment and mental health treatment. If you do not want to abide by that, I will follow your agreement, revoke you, and I will sentence you to the 3 years. But if you want the help, then I will give you the help. But it's going to be some type of inpatient treatment. And if you were referred back to felony drug court, if felony drug court agrees to accept you and reviews your case again, they may decide that the best placement for you is DDRF and may place you in DDRF. But if you want to be revoked, I will revoke you. But I don't think that would be in your best interest, and I don't think it would be in the public's best interest. So your choices are, I can follow your agreement, revoke you, sentence you to the 3 years, or I can continue you, but you're going to remain in custody until you're accepted in felony drug court or DDRF. All right, and this is what I want to let you know. One, you can't run from your problems. If you are currently homeless, at least there's a safety net. And I understand that drug court charges for drug testing, but if you don't have money for drug testing, they're not going to say, we're going to remove you from the program because you can't afford the drug testing. They're not going to say, we're going to remove you from the program because you don't have housing. Part of their job is to make sure that you're stable with a place to stay, And sometimes the place you have to say, it's not the Hilton or whatever the best place is. It's just a place to stay with rules and regulations. Now, if I follow your agreement and send you to prison when you get out, you're still going to be homeless. But, okay, sure. Are you asking the court to follow this agreement for 3 years in the prison? Are you waiving your right to appeal? All right. So if you'll just put on the record then what offenses will be taken in consideration.
Possession of marijuana 4 ounces, 5 pounds, and a PG 1 less than a gram. Arising out of the same time and left so separate offense.
All right. Then court will follow your agreement. The court is going to find violation of condition number 4 true. Court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. The court will note that the state is taking into consideration a possession of marijuana and a possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. And the court will request the therapeutic community. All right, we can go off the record. Good luck to you. When you're released, if you can't find a place to stay, or if you can't find somebody to help you maintain your sobriety, if I'm still here, you come back, I'll pick up the phone and call somebody.